right, right now we are in the Guam International Airport and we're getting ready to go to Hong Kong. Look who I found. The beautiful and vibrant city of Hong Kong, home to 7.5 million people, a major shopping center among the world's richest cities, and a haven for some weird and wonderful food. We have one day to explore the skyline, the markets, and the delicacies of this urban jungle, and I'm super excited. I found this really interesting one. It looks kind of weird. Wow. It just tastes like a boiled egg. Then, if you guys know what this is, these are really good. They're actually considered a superfood. All right, and right here in the halal corner, I find something pretty interesting. Halal rice. Try the halal rice. All right, we are in the airport right now. Got Clarence, Anthony, of course my crime partner, Antoinette. So we're gonna go into town. We're gonna take the train because that's the cheapest way to get into town. Alright, so these are some of the things you guys should try. Some colored cha-cha milk teas. You got brown sugar. They come with jelly. They come with bubble brown sugar. And then you can also try their
mango pitaya, or it's dragon fruit with mango.
Dragon fruit?
Yeah.
With mango?
Yep.
What happened? Alright.
Oh man, so good. It's so refreshing. The mango.
Dragon? Who?
Oh, I had the one of those.
I know it.
Alright, here we go.
Cool.
Oh my god.
Can you not?
Okay, we ready?
You love one moment, you love a little. Yeah. After that, we might like get a stomach.
Now we can stand. At the top.
of the world, looking down on creation.
Explanation I can find is that no 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 the top of the world.
We gotta get that picture.
Say hi.
Did we go through all of that? Like, so we left around 10, almost 11.
Alright, we are on our way to Ladies Market with my new partner, Darnell. We almost got lost, but we got found again. Lost in Hong Kong. Oh no. Oh my gosh. We are finally at the exit in Hong Kong. $75. Ah, yeah. This one very expensive. Or you make it 20, I get 3. You can put
Good colors, very nice.
75 with this one, 95. 95, 75.
95, 75.
Yeah, so I get 2. Yeah. How about this one? What's this? 3. This one? Soy sauce.
here.
Find the wise.
Very good.
It's like waffles.
Beef inside.
And then this one is
Beef.
beef. This is what we need in the streets of Hong Kong. This is what we need. All right, we're at the airport. Time for us to go. I already checked in, and the lady at the counter, the United counter, Michelle, actually suggested that I go try out this pearl tea or bubble tea. I think I found it, so we're gonna try it out and see how good this tea is. Are you kidding? Wow. This is so freaking good. Perfect drink to drink right before your flight.
If there's anything I learned from this trip, it's that one day is definitely not enough time to explore a beautiful place like Hong Kong. I am sad to leave, but I know that I'm definitely revisiting this wonderful city in the future. As I bid farewell to the City of Lights, I'm also excited for our next destination, Bulavinaka, because here we come, Fiji.